In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files for HubSpot content. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your HubSpot global home. From there, click on Content, and then click on Files in order to upload files. You can either upload directly from your mobile by installing their application. You can also import from Google Drive, and from there, you can also upload file from your computer. On this case, let's choose this one. Let's click onto this right here, and it will open this window. Just choose right here the file that you want to upload. I'll head over and choose right here this too, and then click on open. Once you have done that, this will actually upload those files directly into this, so you can see them right here. So with this, you can actually just use them and copy their file URL, or you can use those files in emails, pages, blog posts, or landing pages. You can also organize those files into folders for easy access. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.